Hi now fam, hope that you guys are doing well. Some of my voice has started to come back, but I just wanted to quickly show you this quick video of this kind of new lamp that this brand sent me. They reached out via email, I think, and it is available on Amazon. I'll have it linked down in the description box. I said yes to reviewing this because I thought this lamp was actually really cool, and I'm actually glad that I did. So it is from a brand called L.K.E, and it is an Amazon brand, L.K.E, and it's a Sun S2 LED UV lamp. And what's interesting about this lamp is that it's not the typical lamp. Like, it looks like a little mini fish. Or Pac-Man, we used to do Pac-Man back in the day. But there are 18 LED bulbs, and it's split into two little halves. Two little loaves, fishes in loaves, and it opens up like a little butterfly, like a little ladybug. In the back, there's a little socket that you push the plug in. Because this is from Amazon UK, I have a UK plug, I think, or European plug. It doesn't go all the way in. I thought it was going to go all the way in. That's why you see me trying to jamming it here. Now, it does feel pretty cheap, pretty inexpensive, it's very lightweight, which is good, so that you'll be able to it's portable, that you can carry it. But you have to be mindful that it is not strong or durable, so it could easily break, if you drop this or have any accident on your table. I thought it was really nice. I thought it was more ergonomic as well. You can slide your hand in without having to change the position of your body. And whilst the lamp is on, you're not going to be fully exposed to the UV light. So you put your left hand, you can put it into the right hand side. And then when you're ready, you can use your right hand. You can put your right hand into the left hand side of the lamp. And again, it's very ergonomic. Like, usually with regular lamps, you have to position the lamp in a certain way in order for your hand to go in. Now, say you're using this particular lamp for clients, you would position it like this, and then you have a little bit of space. You can even use it like a little hand rest whilst you're doing their hands, or even for them to rest their hands on whilst you're using their hands. All right. So we have 30, 60, and 90-second timers on here. So what you do is you press the button once for 30 seconds, you press it twice for 60 seconds, and then you press it 3 times for 90 seconds. There is an information pamphlet here. So here's the technical information. I was really impressed. It's actually 54 watts. And you're recommended to use, I think, at least a minimum of 48 watts. So we have the voltage, 18 LED lights, the dimensions, the wavelength, what's included in the packaging, as well as the instructions, operation of the device, how to use it. So you connect it to the power to the back before you plug it in. And then it tells you, press the button single, double, or 3 times to get certain timers. And if you remove the hand, it automatically turns off, I think. And also there is some precautions down to the bottom. So definitely be sure, if you end up purchasing this lamp or any lamp in general off of Amazon, please read your instructions. That's what it's there for. So 54 impressive watts, 19 LED bulbs. That's not bad for an inexpensive lamp, I have other lamps and they have a little bit more bulbs than this. But again, in terms of the ergonomic usage, I think I was really impressed by that. So I press it on once, and as you can see, I'm able to put my hand underneath. I can feel the warmth of the lamp. And again, try to remember, you're only getting 9 bulbs, 9 LED bulbs, the heat of 9 LED bulbs. So you're not exposed to the entire 18. But again, this has its purposes, it has its usage. You can definitely use it even to flash cure if you wanted to, after you've done, certain sets. And once you're done, you can click it again for however long you want it to go on for. And then you push your hand underneath the other side of the lamp if you wanted to do your right hand. Anyway, I thought this was such a cool lamp. I definitely think you can definitely come out with something a little bit more strong, a little bit more durable, that feels a little bit more heavy. Obviously, the price will reflect that. So if you're looking for something inexpensive, but 54 watts and works really nice and is ergonomic, this would definitely be the lamp for you. All right. So what I'm going to do is I want to test out the strength of the warmth, the LED bulbs. So I'm thinking I'm just going to go ahead and put on some peel off base onto my nails, and just try to stick on just a fake nail, full cover nail, and just see what the strength is of the bulbs. And then that's basically it. So I'm just doing a quick demo of this lamp. I will use it in a subsequent nail design just to kind of get an idea of how it would work for a full set. Will it cure properly? Will my polish them, kind of come out the way I want it to? I thought it was really cool. Like you say, I can still rest my fingers to the top without exposing the whole hand. So, with the lamps that I have now, even if I'm curing one finger, you still have to push your whole entire hand in. Whereas with this, I have enough space that I can just do that specific one finger without having to expose my hand to the UV light. I thought that was super, super cool. And it did cure. I can feel like the nail glue tightening up onto the nail. So I do feel that I did get the full strength of a lamp. So I did off camera, I did go ahead and polish my nails and see if it would cure, and it did cure okay. So overall, I'm actually really pleased with this little lamp and definitely recommend. Okay, guys? So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.